B in Subway stands for bird nest. God, those look delicious. Some more cookies. Get them before they're gone. Limited time only. What's up, boys and girls? We're coming at you from Subway, my pride and joy, the best restaurant in the universe. Saw Blaine doing his running store vlog, so figured may as well show you guys around. This is like, well, 1 second. As you can see, the place is empty. It's just me. This is my Subway, bitch. So anyway, there's not really a hell of a lot to show you guys. Like, this is where I do dishes. That's where we keep the chips. Right there and there's where we keep the food. This is where I cut veggies and charge my phone. And that's where I get to look at the people peacefully eating their food when they're here. But yeah, this is what it looks like from behind the counter at Subway. It's amazing, except for it's really not that amazing. It's just kind of whatever. But yeah, I mean, there's really not a hell of a lot to show you. But I guess I'll just preemptively tell you what I'm gonna do today. Today is the Ben's Memorial Mile. I haven't signed up for it, but maybe I should. I don't know. I could do it at the day of, so I don't know. But today Jack has me running 6 miles, which is the most I've done so far. So maybe shouldn't. Probably go though. But yeah, I'll probably tell you guys how it goes afterwards. But yeah, I just wanted to get some behind the scenes action at Subway. So see you then. What's up, boys and girls? It's the next day. I'm out here with Alec Danner.
Gentleman.
So spontaneously decided to do the Ben's Memorial Mile yesterday. Was a less than stellar performance, but I mean, what
you
are you
got the silver medal.
Well, yeah. For
Don't be so hard on yourself.
This is I got the second heat of the fast one, and got second place, 4:46, which I mean, it's not terrible for 15-mile weeks.
It's not good, but
okay,
it's not terrible.
Yeah, but so got a total of 6 in, just following the Jack Diamond master plan is what I'm gonna call
Masturbation.
it. Yeah. So yeah, not a whole lot. Gonna be putting more effort into these, so stay tuned. Catch you later.
I'll see you guys. Check out my YouTube video.